Magandang araw sa lahat. The Fraternal Order of Eagles, Limbas Law Corner is back to serve our countrymen, our community in the field of law. We will be discussing on the topic about different fact-finding investigation conducted by different governmental entities or agency. Like for instance, we have the PNP, the Philippine National Police, we have the National Bureau of Investigation, the Commission on Human Rights, and others, conducting fact-finding investigation on solving who is responsible for committing a crime. Now, should there be a conflicting report, findings, and recommendation of these agencies, it is for the benefit of the accused, not for the benefit of the crime victims. But why? Bakit kaya makinabang ang akusado pag ang mga findings and recommendation of different government agencies in a fact-finding investigation of a criminal act is conflicting or are different? Well, you will note that under the 1987 Constitution, an accused is presumed innocent until otherwise proven guilty, and the evidence required, the proof required to prove that the accused is guilty is proof beyond reasonable doubt. Right? Beyond reasonable doubt. Now, suppose there is doubt. Well, the judgment of the court shall tilt in favor of the accused. We have several Supreme Court ruling on the so-called equipoise rule. Ano ito? Yung 50-50 proposition. O ano to? 50% the accused is guilty, and another one, 50% of the evidence presented, the accused is innocent. Now, should the court renders a decision, what would be the decision of the court? Well, the Supreme Court said in so many cases, marami ito, that in cases of 50-50 proposition na ang 50% ng evidence, guilty si accused. 50% evidence ng kaso, innocent yung accused, sabi ng Supreme Court. Under that situation, the evidence for the prosecution failed to overcome the presumption of innocence. The evidence for the prosecution failed to present proof beyond reasonable doubt. And that is why the trial court, under that circumstance, has no other recourse except what? To render a decision in favor of the accused. What is that? The acquittal. The acquittal of the accused. Kaya nakakalungkot sa mga criminal cases in this country na maraming pagdududa ng investigasyon, ng fact-finding investigation ng NBI, ng CIDJ, meron din Commission on Human Rights and others. Pag nag-iba-iba ang findings yan, conflicting, may nagsasabing, walang foul play. May nagsasabi namang foul play. Well, ang bansang Pilipinas, mga Pilipino, kakaroon ng iba-ibang idea, iba-ibang opinion dyan. But under existing jurisprudence, which should be observed by our courts of law, should follow is that in cases like that, 50-50 proposition, one is guilty, another one is not guilty, then, I repeat, the evidence for the prosecution failed to establish the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt, and thus, the court must render a decision acquitting the accused. O sigaw na naman, injustice. Well, there is nothing wrong with our justice system. Hindi naman, ang justice system natin maayos. Ang sino ang hindi maayos? Yung tao. Yung tao na gumagawa ng mali. Yung taong gumagawa ng tama ay mabuti. Alright, this is another public service in the field of law rendered by the Fraternal Order of Eagles, specifically ng different Limbas Eagles Club in Antipolo City, province of Rizal. We have no other purpose except to render help. So, please keep on supporting this YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it, you can like it, and share it so that many of our countrymen will be benefited on the issues of law. So, maraming salamat sa lahat. Magandang araw.